Hey folks, every tip I'm about to share with you has been tested by professionals at the shop where I'm working, so don't worry. This issue has a solution. If you own a Lexus ES330 and you've heard strange stories about the U151E transmission, take a breath first. It's not a bad transmission, but it does have very specific behaviors when something starts to go wrong. This 5-speed automatic can last many years if it's properly maintained, but when problems begin, they usually show up as small warning signs that many people ignore. One of the most common symptoms mechanics mention is slow or strange shifting, especially between second and third gear. Many drivers describe the engine revving up as if it's hesitating before shifting, and this is where everything starts to connect. In most cases, the problem isn't internal yet. It's something as simple as old, dirty, or incorrectly leveled transmission fluid. Following that idea, many owners say the issue started right after a poorly done fluid change. The U151E is very sensitive to proper fluid level, and if the technician doesn't check it with the engine running and at the correct temperature, the transmission can actually behave worse than before. That's why mechanics always say it's not just changing the fluid, it's doing it the right way. When the fluid is correct and the problem continues, the conversation usually shifts to the valve body and solenoids. These components control when and how the gears shift. If one starts to fail, the transmission gets confused, leading to harsh shifts, jerking, or clunks when slowing down. The interesting part is that many mechanics say a full rebuild isn't necessary. Checking and testing the solenoids first can solve the issue. Related to that, another commonly mentioned issue is internal speed sensors. These sensors tell the transmission how fast internal components are spinning, and if one sends incorrect data, the car doesn't know when to shift. The result is delayed shifts, jerking, or a slipping sensation, even though the transmission itself may still be mechanically sound. Over time, especially past 100,000 miles, small fluid leaks can also appear. These leaks slowly lower the fluid level and increase heat, which accelerates internal wear. Many mechanics report that the problem started small and got worse simply because the leaks weren't addressed early. This is where preventive maintenance makes a huge difference. If the issue is ignored for too long, more serious symptoms can show up, such as real slipping, hard bangs into gear, or difficulty moving the car. At that point, mechanics agree it's no longer a simple fix and requires professional diagnostics with a scan tool, pressure testing, and real experience with Toyota, Lexus transmissions. That's why experienced mechanics always recommend the same logical path. Start with fluid condition and proper level, then check sensors and solenoids, inspect for leaks and wiring issues, and only then consider major repairs. Following this order can save you a lot of money and headaches.